Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Precision Manufacturing System. I'm back with the second video of machine learning tutorial video series, and in this video I'm going to talk about Google Colab and explain what the Google Colab is and why we need to use Google Colab for running our deep learning and these code. Before starting the video, I'm really grateful if you could subscribe in my YouTube channel, which could be a motivation for me to create such a video, and hit the like button and stick around end of this video. Okay, let's start. First, I have to say, if you guys are familiar with deep learning and artificial neural network, it's okay. But if you are not, I recommended you please see my first video about machine learning, which I explained in that video about fundamental concept of deep learning, artificial neural network, and what is differences between them, and also I explained about convolutional neural network. And if you watch that video, you simply find why we have to use strong and advanced hardware to run our code. Okay, Google Colab is an environment behalf of Google, and Google provide this environment for running our code as a free. Of course, there are some version that we need to buy those version if we need. But you can use the free version, and that is so simple and user friendly. If you want to run a simple deep learning or artificial neural network, it's okay, and you can use your own computer or system. But when you want to run a large deep learning, and a deep learning with large network, or deep architecture of convolutional neural network, you need a strong and advanced hardware which be able to run your code. For that's why some guys maybe don't have a strong computer or laptop or work, and doesn't have access to this kind of computer. For that's why we can use Google Colab and run our code in Google Colab. First of all, and for using Google Colab, the only things that we need is a Google account or Gmail. So first we have to find our Google Colab. Let's find Google Colab. The main website of Google Colab is this, and click on Google Colab, and this is the first and main page of the website of the Google Colab. Here you can either click on open Colab or new network. After clicking, you need to sign in this website. As I already said, we need a Gmail or Google account to sign in Google Colab. After after signing, you can use Google Colab easily. So, as I already mentioned, the environment Google Colab environment is so look like to Jupyter notebook. And here, from here, you can change the notebook's name and write your own name, introduction for example, and by Control S you can save it, and then from here you can by this one, if you press this icon, you can add some cells to write code, or if you click on this one, you can write some information in your code. Also from here you can save your code and save in your Google Drive, or you can save it in your GitHub, or whatever you want. And another advantage of Google Colab is that you can access and connect to your own Google Drive, and if you have some special files that you need to upload in your code, you can easily access to your Google Drive and use them. And also from here you can search specific code if you have a deep code, or if you have a large number of code. From here it's so easily to find the code that you are looking for. And from here, as I said, from here you can access to your Google Drive and other network. Also so from here you can check what kind of method your Google Colab is using. At this time, the Google Colab just specify and allocated the CPU method for our Google Colab. You can also, it is necessary to know we can use GPU or TPU by Google Colab, and depends on what kind of task do you want to do. You have to specify the method for running your code. As you know, if the code is simple and it is not so deep, it's better to use CPU. But if you want to run a deep and large structure and code, it's better to change the CPU to GPU and use GPU and CPU simultaneously. So okay, let's start and write some codes. For the first code, I will, for example, write print hello world. And by you can either click on this button, or by pushing Control and clicking Control and Enter, you can run your code. As you can see, by I run my code by pushing Control and Enter simultaneously, or I can use this button, and then now I want to write some text, for example, for information, or some information in my code. For example, I want to write importing library, and by Shift Enter you can import it here. And then you can use here to add some code cells or text cells. And another advantage of Google Colab is that you don't need to install any kind of library in Google Colab. For example, if you want to use Python or VS Code in your own laptop, you need to install first. You have to install, for example, NumPy library or Pandas or Matplotlib or other Seaborn library for running your code. And also for example, if you want to do machine learning, you have to install TensorFlow or other library which you want. But here we don't need to install any of them, and now I will show you by importing some of them. Import, for example, TensorFlow, excuse me, flow as TF. Oh, I shouldn't write like this one. Import TensorFlow as TF, or import NumPy as np, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib as a plt. And or you can use, for example, you can say from TensorFlow import cross library, and then you can, by clicking, you can run and import all of them. Also, if you want to change, as I said, here just we use CPU method, and if you want to use GPU, you have to click on runtime and click on change runtime type. Here you can choose what language are you using, Python or R, and then you can select the GPU or TPU. And since we were writing some codes in this notebook, and here I got error, and the error says if you click on OK, your notebook will be terminated, and then we have to run all of them again. We click OK and save, and now it is connecting to GPU. And if and now, yeah, we have GPU method, and as you can see, we have CPU and GPU simultaneously, and we need to run again all of them to import our library or other thing. And also from here you can also add some code cells or text cells, and also you can, from here you can run all cells and here you can restart your code and run all of them. By this option you can restart session and run again all of them. Okay, that's it for today, and in the first coming video we are going to show you and write a code about CNN, deep learning, and do some classification task, and also maybe we record some video about deep learning neural network. Thank you for being with me until end of this video, and please don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, and if you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me by email. See you so long. Goodbye, guys.